Okay, we're getting there. Now, what we have to do is introduce some variables so that we can do things like keep score, build a countdown timer, and do the number of tries. So let's just do that right now. So we will do this data, and let's make a variable, and let's call it time left. And we might as well make this for all sprites. It's going to be a general thing. And we need to make another one called score. C-O-R-E. We have that. And then what else are we going to make? We had time left. How about tries left? All right. And remember, every time you pick a variable, you can set it, you can change it, and you can also show it or hide it, which means here, of course, you can show it or hide it by clicking here. Now, why would you have click here or unclick and have these blocks? This means if it's in a block, you can do it under program control. You can have something appear or not appear depending on how you want to do it. So we have those variables. Now, the other thing that's going to happen, let's think about this. When the fox goes up and hits a barrier, right now, if it touches the barrier, we play the sound, and then we go to setup. Now, setup means do the entire initialization. Now, the initialization, first of all, let's just do it. We're going to set the time left. Oh, let's set it to 60 seconds for now. We can set the, change it, we need 3 of these actually, 1 for each variable. We can set the score to 0, and we can set the number of tries left. Let's set it to 5. Now, point is, when we do this, if we were going to keep score and you'd hit the star and you'd increment and add the score or something like that, you went back to setup, you would reset it to 0. That's not what you want. So let's do another block, and we're going to call it reset. Now this is again a very common thing, R-E-S-E-T, and we do this and we get the usual thing, we get a define. So let's put in reset, what we want is we don't want these guys. We want these here, and we probably should, if we're going to reset, I'll do this here, we want to set the time here. But now we do reset in the setup. So the block setup calls another block called reset. Now, in all these places where we have setup, we want reset now. So if it touches a star, we want to come back and reset. So we will put that in here. Notice how you have to pull these blocks out from the bottom. Can't pull them out from the middle or the top. So you got to reset here. Now the question is, what do we do? Okay, if we're going, let's just go through this thing systematically. Let's say we touch the star. What do we want to do when we touch star? Well, we're going to play the sound, but we need to add to the score. So let's look at our variable here, and let's change score by 1. So I will add 1 to the score. Oh no, I'm sorry. We do not want to do that. We want to change the tries left by -1. So we want to subtract from it. In fact, let's just check that out and see if that works. We'll go along here. Let's do tip him up, hit bonk. Notice tries are now 4. They were 5, right? Okay. So that does work. Now we need to do the same thing for the star. If we touch the star, we want to increase the, not time left, we need to increase the score by 1. So if we put hit star, we do this. All right, let's try that. So we start, and we start, notice time, no score, time left. Aha, something's wrong. It should have set it to 60. It did not. Now, why is that? Let me try it again. Okay, the time left. Oh, we set tries left to 60. How about time left to 60? Now, when we click the green, we get the 60. Yes. See, again, that's the advantage of this scratch outfit here. You can test all these things and see things immediately when things are wrong. Okay, let's just try, see what happens here. See if we get the score right. We go along here and we come back up, 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 up. And score has increased, but the time left has not changed. Know why? We haven't built the countdown timer, which we will do in the next video. And we'll do something about this star. So you notice it's green. It changed, which is what we did with the script over there. So the next video, we'll do the countdown timer.